guys, welcome back to my channel. And I was wondering, would you guys like to unbox this huge, humongous art kit I got? It's all Lisafrank. I am so excited, and it costs 20 bucks, and I found it at Dollar General. So stay tuned. Okay, now I'm here at level. I'm going to bring it down. And we're gonna open this baby up. I need some scissors. I'm so excited. I am a 90s child all the way. Always have been. This is like any Lisafrank. Oh my gosh. Ah, look at it all. It's all so amazing. So here's the back of the box though, to show you guys what we're looking at getting. And as you guys can see on the ground, right here, we have the book, we have the stencils. I don't know if there's anything underneath the stencils, but we have the crayons, we have the markers. What I'll do is I will take these out and we'll look at these individually, and we'll look at the book and the stickers and all that and things. So this big book came in the set. And it has all different kinds of pages on it. I'm going to stand up during this video a lot. It doesn't flip through. Let's play. It's got games in here. And then it's got these really cool pages that you could actually just tear out and make copies of. You know, if you're a real fan of Lisafrank like I am, that's probably what I would do, is probably photocopy it or scan it into my printer. And then I know you guys see my messy art table behind me and my couch. I apologize. So also, those things on top above the markers, I thought they were like sticky notepads. They're actually, they're foamed out Lisafranks. Look at the unicorn. I'm putting it in my bathroom. Lisafrank's gotta go in the bathroom, I think, or somewhere around the house. And then it came with 2 stencils, which I have a great idea for these stencils, called makeup palettes. And then it came with 4 things of stickers. So I took the stickers out, and look at how fun they are. Sorry, it's hard because they are all rolled up. Oh, they're so fun. If you have a little girl, go to the Dollar General because you will make her day. And this is what I grew up on, and all I can see is my childhood in front of me. I'm so excited right now. Yeah, so definitely, this is a great kit for 20 bucks. Like you saw, it comes with the markers and the crayons. This is really meant for a younger child, but I had to have it. I'm a Lisafrank, excuse me, a Lisafrank fan to the end. So thank you, Dollar General. Thank you, Lisafrank, for coming back, rocking 2020. Oh, it's so cool. All right, guys, have a good one. Bye.